A very good morning to all of you. So, my dear children, in the previous video of value education, we read the chapter number 2, that was Always Be Polite, in which we read about a baby monkey, that how he learns to speak the magic words. What were those magic words? Please, thank you, sorry. Yes, he used all these magic words through a cave. A cave helped him to speak the magic words. So, children, now in today's video, we will be doing the back exercise of your value education book. So I request you all to open up page number 8 of your value education book and be ready with your pencils. So children, now the first part of the back exercise is question time, in which you have to choose and write the correct answers. You have to fill these blanks with the correct answer after choosing the correct options from the brackets. Okay, my dear kids? So, let's start. The first one says, the baby monkey saw a magic dash. Now the options are tree or cave. So, start thinking of the answer, my dear children. Okay. So, I know that you all are saying the answer, which is cave. So, please write down cave in the blank. The baby monkey saw a magic cave. Yes? Now, coming over to the second part. The door of the cave opened when the monkey used the magic word dash. So, which magic word did monkey use to open the door of the cave? Was it please or was it abracadabra? So, my dear kids, the magic cave was opened by using the magic word, which is please. Please write it down. Now, coming over to the third part, the cave lit up only when the monkey dashed it. So, how did the cave lit up? What word did monkey used? Did he abused in the cave or did he thank the cave? Did he use the word thank you? Yes, he used the magic word thank you. So, the cave lit up only when the monkey thanked it. So please write down your answer. Thanked. Abusing means saying wrong words to someone. So the monkey didn't use the wrong word, no. He used the magic word instead. Okay, so he thanked the cave. Now, coming over to the next part, the fourth part, there was a big pile of dash and toys inside the cave. Yes, the answer is chocolates. There was a big pile of chocolates and toys inside the cave. Okay? Now coming over to the next part, fifth part, which is the monkey and his friends never dash to use the magic words. Now the options which are given to you are remember or forget. So children, what will you use here? What does remember and forget means? Remember means याद रखना and forget means भूल जाना. So this blank says that the monkey and his friend never, कभी भी नहीं भूले या फिर याद रखा. So what we will write here? Forget. The monkey and his friend never forget to use the magic words. That means they always remembered them. Okay? Now coming over to the next part, which is time to think. Now children, I'm going to read this poem for you all. Okay? And you all try to read it along with me. So the name of the poem is Be Polite. Please and thank you are the words to be heard all through the day and night, for that's the way to be polite. So what does it mean that please and thank you are the words which everybody likes to hear? Yes? Okay. These are the magic words, no? So everybody likes to hear these words. Instead of being rude to someone, if we will say these words to someone, I told you that a magic will be created around you. Okay? And all through the day and night, we will always be wishing for these magic words. Yes? For someone to say these magic words to us. Okay? And by using these magic words, we can be polite. This is how we can show our politeness to others. Okay? Better words you cannot find to show that you are caring and kind. Things become simpler, you see, when you are as polite as can be. So, children, it means that you don't have any better option. Okay? Don't have any better option means like these are the best words which can help you to get the things done. Okay? Like I will give you an example. When you want something to be done, what you will say? Please mama or no mama? Will you say please mama let me do it, or will you say no mama I'll do it? So किसमें ज़्यादा chances हैं that mama will say yes, please mama let me do it, or no mama I will do it? Yes, the first one sounds more simpler and more polite. Yes, and yes, mama will agree at the first one if that thing is right for you. Yes. So children, when you use the magic words, a wonder is created around you, and the things which you find difficult to be done, they become easier. Okay, and they become simpler, as being polite creates a magic around you. Okay, so let's see what is written. A person who is polite shows respect and care for other person. That means a person who is polite. What does being polite means? To show care and respect towards the others. Yes. Being courteous. Yes. So be polite to everyone. Okay. So we should be polite to everyone. It will make others happy and you a better person. Okay, when we will be able to make everyone around us happy, okay, so we will become a better human. Yes, people like doing things for those who are polite. Just like I told you, if you will be polite with everyone, everybody around you, so everybody will say how nice this person is. Okay, we must do whatever he says. Yes, but if you will be rude, so everybody will think, what is the use of doing something for him? He's so rude. Yes, okay, so we should always be polite. Now, are you hurt when someone is rude to you? Do you like to do things for people who say please and thank you? Now, children, tell me that would you like the person who is saying please and thank you to you, or would you like the person who is being rude to you? अब जो आपसे प्यार से बात करता है, यू विल लाइक दैट पर्सन? यस? और या फिर जो आपको गुस्सा कर रहा है, यू विल लाइक दैट पर्सन? यू विल लाइक द पर्सन हु इज बीइंग पोलाइट टू यू ना, हु इज यूजिंग द मैजिक वर्ड्स विद यू. So we all should use the magic words in our daily lives as well. Okay? As the things will become simpler for us. Okay? And we will be able to make everyone around us happy. Now, the next part is time for a reality check. The question is to match the expressions to the situation in which you will use them. Now the words are being given to you and you have to match them with the following situations. Now the first word in A column is please. Now when will you use please? Will you use please when someone gives you a gift? Or will you use please when you are late and make someone wait? Or will you use please when you want someone to help you? So, you will use please when you want someone to help you. Please match it. Match the first part of A column with the C part of B column. Now, the second part is thank you. Now, when you will use thank you? We will use thank you when someone gives us a gift. Okay, so match the second part of A column with the A part of B column. Now the third part is sorry. And children, we will use sorry when we are late and we make someone wait. Yes, we say sorry generally to them because they have to wait for us. Okay, and this is it. Okay, now coming over to the next part. It's diary time. Fill in your diary using the given words. Now the words are being given to you. You have to fill the blanks using these words. Okay, first of all you have to write the date. So what is the date today? Please write down the date, everyone, which is 29th August 2020. Okay, then after writing the date, let's start. Today I learnt about being dash. So what did you learn about being polite? So please write down polite here, everyone. Politeness makes dash dash. Politeness makes everyone happy. Please write it down. Then the next one is I will always dash to be polite. I will always remember, okay, to be polite. So what does it mean? Today I learnt about being polite. Politeness makes everyone happy. I will always remember to be polite. Okay? That means that आज मैंने polite बनना सीखा. And politeness makes everyone happy. Politeness से सब happy रहते हैं. And I will always remember to be polite. And मैं हमेशा polite रहना याद रखूंगी. Understand? Now let's move forward to the next part, which is your time. Okay, so children, now some situations are being given to you and you have to write your reply, what you will reply in these cases. Okay, what will you say in the given situation? Write in the blank space. Now what you will say when your mother cooks your favorite dish for you. What we generally say when mama makes tasty, yummy, our favorite food for us. Do we say sorry? Do we say thank you? Yes, we say thank you. Thank you, mama, for making so yummy and delicious food for us. Thank you. Now, what you will say when you spoil your father's favorite shirt? What you will do in that case? By mistake you have spoiled your father's favorite shirt. What you will say? You will say thank you. No, you will say sorry, Papa. I spoiled your favorite shirt. Sorry. Okay, by mistake if we do something wrong, so what we should say? We should say sorry to them. Now, the third part. Your sister says sorry to you for breaking your car. Now, your sister has by mistake, she has broke your car. Now, and she's saying sorry to you. She's sorry. So, what you will say in this condition? Will you be rude to her? That why did you break my car? Or will you be polite? So what we say in this condition when someone says sorry to us? We say never mind. Never mind means that let it go. Okay, let it go. जाने दो, कोई बात नहीं. Okay. Now the fourth part. You want to use your father's pen. Now when you want to use your father's pen, okay, and it is Papa's favorite pen, so what word will you use to ask him for his favorite pen? We will use please. Please, Papa, can I use your favorite pen? Can I use your pen? Yes. So children, I told you earlier as well that please start using the magic words in your daily life and see the changes around you. Okay, you will be able to make everybody around you happy and you yourself will be more happier. Okay, so that is all for today, and the next part put together is your homework. You have to do that activity as your homework. Understand, my dear kids? So I hope that from now onwards you all will be using these magic words in your daily life. Understand? Okay, so that is all for today. Bye bye, take care.